I'm sure you've seen these types of channels before, but did you know that these channels actually earn so much money? Some earn $1,000 a month, and some even earn $1,000 a day. Wanna do the same? Then keep watching. Welcome to Make Money How-Tos, where we show you the many ways you can earn money, no matter where you're from. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and together we'll travel to financial freedom. One of the best things about earning money on YouTube is that you don't need any prior experience. All you need to do is start and learn along the way. But of course, in this video, we'll be giving you some tips that will help you start right. Number 1. Choose your channel's niche. The first step is to decide what your channel is going to be about. To make the work easier for you, it'd be best to choose a topic that you're also interested in. However, it's also fine not to. To give you some ideas, here are some of the most profitable YouTube niches. So basically, anything related to finance and making money is good. However, there are some niches that are fun and easy to do, especially as a beginner on YouTube. Some of these are compilation video channels are good because they can get a lot of clicks and views. But if you choose that, in order to be monetized and get on YouTube's good side, make sure to add some voiceovers, maybe at least before every clip. Otherwise, YouTube will decide that you cannot be monetized because you are not uploading original content. So adding a bit of commentary, whether it's your voice or someone you hired, will help you avoid possible monetization issues. Now that you've chosen your channel's niche, the next thing you need to do is come up with a video idea. Let's say you're in the thriller niche. For this niche, a way we can look for video ideas is by simply searching on Google with our phone. As you can see, there are so many websites we can get scary stories from. Just make sure to credit the website you got it from if you're going to quote them word for word. But it would be much better if you tell the story in your own words. Another way you can get scary stories is by simply asking your Facebook friends and then ask them for the permissions to post them on your YouTube channel. Once you've got your script done, you can record your voice for your video. And by the way, you don't need expensive equipment, especially if you're just starting. Your phone most likely has a decent voice recorder. However, if you don't want to use your own voice, you can hire someone on Fiverr or even ask your family members or friends to help you out. So we're done with our video idea, script and voiceover. Now let me show you a couple websites where you can get free videos and pictures from, which you can use in your videos. I will put all the links to these websites in the video description, so make sure to check it out. There are so many videos to choose from. After deciding on one, we can just click it and then download. But make sure to give credit to the owner in your YouTube video description when needed. To edit your video, there are many websites where you can edit videos for free. But if you have money to spend, you can simply hire someone on Fiverr. Again, I'll be putting all the websites link in the video description, so you can just click it from there. Last step, the thumbnail. This is incredibly important because it won't matter if your video content is great if people are not clicking on it. The video thumbnail is meant to catch the eye of potential viewers, so they will actually click and watch your videos. Once you've got all these, you are ready to upload your video. Ideally, you want to be able to post at least 15 videos every month. Keep working on it until you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Apply for monetization, and then little by little automate your channel and take over YouTube.